Good evening to all of my dear friends and audience. Today our topic is present continuous tense. It is also for class 6 to the 12th plus army clerk. Now I want to tell you some rules or identification of present continuous tense in Hindi sentence as well as in English sentence. And what rules we will apply when we want to make the sentence in present continuous tense. Now, identification of the tense in English or in Hindi. How we will know that it is the present continuous tense? In the either it is the English sentence or Hindi sentence, first of all, the action is going on continuously in the sentence. Means work is being done continuously, has not finished, it is continuously going on. The man or the doer is doing the work continuously. Second, work has not finished. In sentence you will find either it is the Hindi sentence or English sentence, the work which is being done in the sentence has not finished. It will finish, it is not known to us. It is not known to the doer. Secondly, it is not known when the work started in the past and when it will finish. In the sentence, third, you will identify that when the work was started in the past and when it will finish in the future. It is known in the sentence. Three identification. Either it is the sentence of Hindi or English. Action is going on continuously. Work has not finished. And it is not known when work started and when it will finish. These are the main or basic principle of the continuous tense. Now, what rules we can apply to make the English sentence in present continuous tense? First of all, helping verb. Is, am, are will be used in this tense. Am will be used with I, or is will be used with he, she, it and singular subject. Are will be used with you, we, they and plural subject. And member will be first form plus ing. In Hindi sentence you will find रहा हूँ, रही है, रहे हैं, हुआ है, हुई है, हुए हैं, हुआ हूँ, etc. will come at the end of the Hindi sentence. If the sentence is negative, then you will write is not, am not, are not. If the sentence is interrogative, then the helping verb is, am, are will be written before the subject. These are the rules, very simple. You can apply it. Thirdly, I want to explain about the main verb when we will add the ing with the first form of the main verb. Suppose there will be consonant at the end of the word main verb, such as the cook, K is the consonant at the end of the main verb, then you add ing, that will be the cooking. If there is, suppose this is play and y is the consonant, when you want to add the ing, then you add playing. Secondly, when there is vowels after the main verb, at the end of the main verb, such as the single e, write WRITE, you will find e after the main verb, that is the last alpha vowel then you will remove the E and add your ing, writing. Here double T will not come because here is the only the single E, single vowels. Thirdly, if there are two E or two vowels at the end of the main verb, such as you find that double E, this is C, then you add ing, it will become sing. E will not be removed because there are two vowels, two E at the end of the word or the main verb, then you add simply ing like the consonant, that will be sing. Consonant after last, if you find the consonant at the end of the word and before the consonant you find any vowels such as U, this is consonant and this is vowels, then you add double word, the double alphabet, that is the T, that will be cutting double T. Here you see the right word, it is E. That formula is only the single vowel, and before the single vowel there is a consonant. Here is not vowels, but here is cut. T consonant, or before the T consonant there is a vowel. Hence we will add double T. This is the T. Running double I. Likewise, we have framed these are the members in which you can, when you add the ing, then you must keep in your mind what we should write. Now I have written here 3 sentences. Now some words are there. I am writing a letter now. In this sentence is the sentence of present continuous tense. When we started the work, it is known. I am writing, this is the action is going on. The man is writing the letter continuously. He has not finished. Secondly, you are cooking rice now. Work is going on. When it will finish, it is not known. When it started, it is not known. He is playing hockey now. The action is going on. Here is the helping verb am, are and is, and it is the first form plus ing, and now word indicates